Sicily, Sicily, Sicily. Hello everyone, I am Giovanna Battaglia and welcome to the Cannolo Report. Since we are around the Easter holidays, I want you to know an ancient Sicilian proverb. Nesci tu porco mangione, get out, you big eater pig. Trasi tu sarda salata, come in salted sardine. Vene tu donna disiata, you come desired woman. This proverb is a reference to three details of the holiday: Carnival, Lent, and Easter. The day after the porco mangione, that is the Carnival, had been burnt at the stake. The 40 days of the Sarda Salata, that is Lent, began. This was a period of fasting, abstinence, and penitence, waiting for the Donna Disiata, that is Easter, to make up for the long hardship suffered.
Ciao a tutti, ciao ciao ciao. So, these two keys here. One was the key to my grandfather Agatino's house in Limina, given to me by my cousin in 2011. The other one is the key to my heart and the key to my love to Sicily.
Ci sono mille motivi per visitare la Sicilia, ma proverò a sceglierne soltanto tre.
There are many reasons to visit Sicily. The first is the sun, sea and nature. Here I am in Palermo, in the beautiful Parco della Favorita, behind which there is the Sea of Mondello and Mount Pellegrino, the most beautiful promontory in the world, as defined by Goethe. Second reason to visit Sicily, our cuisine, such as pasta with sardines, pasta alla norma, arancino or cannoli. Third reason, history and monuments, and in Sicily, you'll be spoiled for choice. If you find yourself near Palermo, take a nice walk in our Arab Norman itinerary, a series of architectural masterpieces unique in the world. We are waiting for you. Have a good trip.
Vi aspetto. Buon viaggio.
Here we are in Piana degli Albanesi, western Sicily, that is situated on a mountainous plateau and encircled by high mountains. In Piana degli Albanesi, they prepare the biggest cannolo in the world, and they still speak the ancient Albanian language. And there are many churches of Byzantine rite. Piana degli Albanesi was founded by Albanians refugees in the 15th century. And here we are in the center of Sicily, in the inland of Sicily, and this is Sutera, dominated by the Paolino mountain. And here in Sutera, the ancient traditions are still strong. This is the Palo Orsi Museum in Syracuse, one of the most important archaeological museums in the world, and that it stands just a few steps away the archaeological area of Syracuse. And here we are in Mazzara del Vallo. There is this museum dedicated to the dancing satyr. bronze statue fished in the seas of Sicily and datable to the 4th, 2nd century before Christ. Here we are in Solunto, that was one of the three Phoenician towns together with Palermo and Mozia. And here is an enchanting place where you can still admire ruins of the past, of the Greek, of the Phoenician Greek and Roman period. And here we are in Naxos, that was the first of the Greek colonies of Sicily. It was founded in the 8th century before Christ, and is built with a lava stone that is the stone of the place, the stone of Etna. Here we are in one of the most beautiful places in the world, Vendicari. In this strip of almost 10 kilometers, you can enjoy nature, the sea, wonderful beaches, and many ruins of the past, like a Greek town, Eloro of the 6th century before Christ, and also Roman ruins, Byzantine ruins. And above all, Vendicari is the realm of migratory birds. And this is Capogallos, one of the mountains that surround Palermo, and is overhanging the sea. There are many prehistoric caves that you can visit in the slopes of the mountain. On top of Monte Gallo there is also a lighthouse, which is now inhabited by curious Palermitan who mosaic it all, and it's a masterpiece of human madness. This is the scaccia, that is the typical street food of Ragusa area in the southeast side of Sicily. You can enjoy the scaccia in different flavors: sausage, cheese, tuma cheese, basil, ham, and this is the pasta coi ricci, that is pasta with sea urchins. It is a very tasteful Sicilian dish that smells of sea.
And now we talk about the typical Easter sweets that are the lamb made of almond paste, and the gudura cullova, and cassatelle with ricotta cheese. And here are two of them: the gudura cullova, the lamb, the Easter lamb, another Easter lamb, and this is all. On April 2nd, 1787, Gaeti lands in Sicily and begins his journey on the island. He will give wonderful words for our land. Monte Pellegrino in Palermo, he defines it as the most beautiful promontory in the world. And above all, he will say that Sicily is the key to understanding all of Italy. Tommaso Cambailla was born. He was a philosopher, doctor, politician, poet, and teacher. His barrels for the treatment of various rheumatic diseases are very famous. These barrels were a sort of sauna, based on mercury and incense. Even today they can be seen together with other instruments used by Cambailla in a museum dedicated to him in the city of Modica. On April 13, 1597, Giovan Battista Odierna, astronomer and priest, was born in Ragusa. He compiled a catalogue of comets and other celestial objects containing some 40 entries, including at least 19 real and verifiable nebulous objects that might be confused with comets. The asteroid 21047 Odierna was dedicated to him. The farmer's advice. In April, the third plowing of the wheat is done. The beans are hoed. The vineyard is cleaned, and pumpkins, melons, beans, peppers, and tomatoes are planted. Cotton is also planted and pomegranate. Fig and peach are grafted. The cows return from the sea to the mountains.
And here we have Sicilian couples of the late 800, early 900.
Siamo siciliani, belli come lo sole di sta terra.
I sogno peccegi.
Pure io sogno pettori.
Io faccio coffe.
Io faccio gioielli.
Io faccio bastoni.
Io faccio danza storie.
Io sogno ceramista.
Io sogno a madrina australiana.
Siamo artisti e artigiane che portiamo per tutto il mondo la colora e lo sciauro della nostra terra.
Per il nostro Cannolo Report, uno scorcio del lago di Pergusa.
For our Cannolo report, I would like to introduce you the Pergusa Lake in the inland of Sicily, in the very center, in the very middle of Sicily. Is a magic place that is also famous for being the spot where Demeter and her daughter Persephone lived. And here you can also find very delicious cannoli.
E dove, non ultimo, si possono trovare anche degli ottimi cannoli da degustare.
Many people from all over the world ask us help in order to come to Sicily, to move to Sicily, to buy a house in Sicily. Okay, our advice is to contact www.sicilyrealty.com, a consortium of renowned Sicilians who will help you to find the better solution in order to move to our island.
And now it's time to say goodbye and wish you happy Easter. And I leave you with this image of the Christ in the urn of terracotta from Caltagirone. And here's another one made of wood. Happy Easter, everybody!
Arrivederci a tutti.